National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Moore County, north central Scotland County, southeastern Anson County, Richmond County, west central Hope County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockingham, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Ellerby, Foxfire, Dobbins Heights, Morven, McFarland, and Diggs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Hoke, Moore, Richmond, and Scotland. At 7:53 p.m. light rain was reported at the Monroe Airport. The temperature